I decided I was going to warm up on the R6 a couple times before I ever took the ZX10 out for the year. And I am very glad I made that decision, because this feels extremely fast already. I kind of forgot how fast it was, because the only bike I've rode so far this year has been the Ninja 500, which is sold, by the way. And this is a huge difference from that. So if I would have got on the 10, I would have been completely screwed. But I definitely need to go on a few warm-up rides just to get back into it, because I forgot how much more responsive bikes are than cars and everything, especially a 600. Like I said, the only thing I rode this year was the 500. Big difference. But it's good to be back. I got the new carbon fiber panels on the side, make it look a little nicer. I hope it shows up pretty cool in the camera. Today I'm just going to be doing a little ride to the bank, so I figured I'll make a video on the way down and on the way back. Try to get 2 in today on my day off. Hopefully everything goes well. I'm a little nervous because I don't know if I put it in the video or not, but when I brought the Ninja 500 home from the inspection, I almost didn't make it home. There was 3 separate close calls within the span of 5 minutes, and it had me pretty nervous. It was not fun. So I'm a little bit nervous about being out right now, but I just gotta get back into it. Once I start riding more often and everything, I'll get comfortable again. It's just always a little sketchy when your last ride has a bunch of close calls. Like I said, though, it's good to be back. I missed doing this and talking to you guys. Forgot how much fun it was. Channel has made some progress. I think I'm at like 4750 for subscribers, which is awesome. Like I said, I don't remember what I was at when I ended last riding season, but 4750 is awesome. I appreciate that. Welcome everybody. I'm actually further away from getting monetized than I was at the end of riding season, which is great. That's really cool to see that progress go down. It sucks, but luckily I'm not doing YouTube for the money or anything. So would it be nice to get paid? Yes, absolutely. It would be awesome to get paid to do something I love, but that's not the case. I'm pretty far away from that, so it's a good thing I'm just doing this for fun, because it's not going to really stop me. It is discouraging, absolutely, don't get me wrong, but it's not my main motivation, so it's not too big of an issue. I should have washed the bike off first before I took it out. It's a little dusty. This is a 2005 Yamaha, obviously. Everyone always complains, oh, Yamaha is trying to start them. You got to sit there forever and you never know if it's going to start, all this stuff. This is a 20-year-old bike. Sat in my garage all winter, and the only thing I did was put fuel stabilizer in the gas tank and put it up on stands. That's it. No tender, no battery disconnect, none of that, nothing with the battery, and started up first try within 3 seconds. So either Yamaha really changed something with their newer bikes that make it a starting issue, or these people just don't know how to take care of their bike. I'm not sure which one it is, because I've never rode a newer Yamaha, so I can't really speak about that. Travis had when he had his Yamaha R3, it was pretty new. I think it was a 2020 or something, and as far as I know, he never had any starting issues with it or anything. So I kind of think Hey, thank you for leaving the grass on the road. You should put a little more next time. But I kind of think these people don't really take good care of their bikes, and that's why they have issues with it. Because the only issue I've had with my Yamaha that wasn't like self-inflicted or whatever was the rectifier burning out because of where it's located. It doesn't really get cooled down too easily. That's it. And that was after years of having it, so I'm not sure how these people are getting so many issues with their bikes. But I'm just happy mine started to ride up. I think my memory's gotten worse, almost significantly. So that's not exactly fun, but it's going to make doing videos a little bit difficult because I don't remember what all I've already talked about and what I haven't. Like, I was going to start talking about making videos on the way to work and stuff, but then I remembered, I'm pretty sure I talked about that in one of the videos on the 500. So I feel like I'm going to end up repeating myself a lot, or just forgetting what I wanted to say to you guys, which isn't really a good thing, but don't know what to do about it. Recording a video on the way home from work at night would be a little sketchy because of how many different incidents I've seen or almost had on the way home from work. It's almost like a weekly thing. Either someone wants to cut up through traffic and it isn't good at it, so they almost kill people. Is that a FZ6? FZ1, I think it said. But like people trying to cut up through traffic, people flying up behind you because they're not paying attention, I guess, and they almost rear end you. People that are just either drunk driving or texting and driving, so they're constantly in the middle of lanes and stuff. It's just a weekly thing. So being on a motorcycle definitely wouldn't be the most comfortable in that kind of traffic. But I'm not sure when else really I would have a whole lot of time to record. Dang, I'm almost at 20,000 miles on this bike. That's still less than my ZX-10, but I bought the ZX-10 with a lot of miles on it. I didn't put a whole bunch on that bike. I put a lot on this one. I put like 15,000 miles on this bike, I think. And I bought it in 2021, I believe. So 4 years now. Well, this will be the 4th year of having it. Looks like we got a little accident over here. Not surprised with this area. So I'm almost out of pre-recorded videos. I think the last one that I have up right now is for April 23rd, and it's currently the 17th. So like, I almost completely ran out because I've either been busy on my days off, or it's been too cold, or raining. So I haven't gotten the chance to go until today, finally. It's like 60 right now. So I finally get to go out, but that's part of why I'm trying to make 2 videos a day, because I don't know when I'm going to get to go again. It's supposed to be like 60s, 70s for a week straight, so I'm hoping that's a sign that like spring is finally actually here, and then it's not going to go back down to 40 again, but you never know. Weather is very inconsistent. I haven't seen any other bikers out yet, which kind of sucks. It's a little disappointing. I've seen them on the way to work, but obviously I can't really do anything at that time. Oh, there we go. Those are like the touring bikes. I think that's what they're called. The taller ones that almost look like dirt bikes, but they have luggage areas and stuff on them. I miss this, that's for sure. Now I can finally remember what it feels like and actually get some speed going instead of being stuck at lights. This is much more fun now. I'm going on vacation in a couple of months. I'm going to the beach with my family. And I thought about looking at a comfortable bike on Copart, buying that and fixing it up before we go to the beach. That way I can ride it down to the beach and actually make videos on the way there and while I'm there. But right now, unfortunately, the only like really comfortable bike I've seen is a Harley, one of the newer ones, like I think it's like 2022 or 2024, something like that, pretty new, and the estimated retail value is $24K, so I'm sure it's going to go for a lot because it runs and drives too. It doesn't really look damaged, so I'm sure it'll go for more than I can afford. I also don't know much about Harleys, so it would be a little bit difficult. There is a 650, which that would probably be comfortable to ride the whole way down, which is like 8 hours. But it's a 2025 that also runs and drives, so that's going to go for a good bit. But basically the plan would be fix it, like rebuild it like I have with all my other ones, get it legalized, and then ride it down to the beach. Hopefully not get rained on. Make some videos while I'm there, and then sell it afterwards once I ride it back. But I don't think that's likely going to happen. It would be fun. It'd be nice to do that, but I just realistically don't think I can. But I'll definitely keep an eye on it. I don't even have a Copart membership right now. I let it expire because I didn't expect to be doing another one anytime soon. But I'll still keep an eye on it just to see if there's any like really good deals that pop up. But there's the bank. I made it, so probably gonna wrap this one up here. And then I will do another one on the way home, like I said. So, welcome back. Again, I guess. First time on one of my bikes. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. It's good to be back and out riding again. I'm still gonna have to like get back into it, like I said, especially with making videos and talking and everything. Gotta remember how to do that. So that's gonna be a slight work in progress, but I'll get there eventually. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.